Well, there's a saucy shot. Could he get the death penalty? Unleash Your Lawyers. Jeff Gold, defense attorney in New York. Yale Galanter, famed defense attorney, former lawyer for O.J. Simpson. Okay, what about it, Yale Galanter?
No shot at the death penalty. I think the case is charged properly, manslaughter,
I'm sure
child
you do.
abuse. Obviously, he didn't want his child to die. There was no intent. There was no malice. There was no ill will, spite, or hatred. This was just stupid parenting, and unfortunately, this little boy died.
Yale, let's not mislead the viewers. Isn't it true that voluntary use of drugs or alcohol is not a defense unless one is comatose? Yes, no, Galanter.
No, it's not a defense, and nobody's saying that the pot influenced what this bad parent did. So, this parent was neglectful to this child. You shouldn't leave a child in the car in 107 degree heat.
I disagree with you.
Period, end of story,
because you know
whether you're drinking, smoking pot, or anything else.
Many years ago, it became accepted that there were other types of weapons other than guns or knives. Weapons like fists, weapons like a broom or a bat, a Louisville Slugger, weapons like a car. And in this case, Jeff Gold, isn't it true it was not just bad parenting, it was a series of decisions to leave the child strapped alone in the car, to shut the car doors and shut the windows, to then stand outside, smoke pot for over an hour, Jeff? I mean, it's a series of decisions that lead to death.
Look, of course we agree that this is horrendous. The fact that he was smoking pot is not a defense. In fact, it just goes the opposite way. It makes it worse. It just doesn't make it murder, and it doesn't make it the death penalty. It's a horrible, terrible thing. He's going to be convicted of manslaughter. He's going to go to prison for it. The question is, did this dad intentionally kill his son? And the answer is no. So it's a horrible, terrible thing. The fact that he was smoking makes it very bad. I agree with that. But it's not a death penalty case.
What the law looks for, Cheryl McCollum, is the intent to do the act.